Hello and welcome to Edu-bubble. I am again with the next video of this tutorial series. In this video, I am going to clarify the concept of layers in two-dimensional drawing. And side by side, I will give you the basic concept related with household wiring. Not only that, I will show you the properties of line, how can we change the line width, type of line like center line, hidden line, dotted line, and so on. So please stay with us until the end. And let's get started. Well, the next panel which is available after the annotation is layer. The layer command is used to control and manage the drawing in AutoCAD for different purposes. Okay, it increases the display performance of the AutoCAD by hiding the portion of our drawing when needed. To create new layer, just click on this. It will create new layer. Otherwise, the keyword is LA enter. Type LA enter. So you can see layer window will appear. So we can create many layers by specifying the name of the corresponding layers. You can see many layers can be added. Okay. So just click on this option to create new layer. Suppose I am giving the name of the layer, that is capital A, and here you can also choose the color. Okay, so I am taking red color for layer A. So here you are also able to change the type of line. Okay, to get more option, just click on this load. Then you can see there are different types of lines are available. Suppose I am going to choose this line, that is dashed 0.5x. Okay, then just press OK. It is not selected, then again you have to select this dashed 2, then OK. Line has been selected. The next option which is available, that is line weight. Okay, suppose I am not going to change the line weight, and the next option is transparency, and I am not going to change the transparency level. Okay, so here you can also add the layer description. What is the purpose for this particular layer? You can also write here. Okay, again I am creating the next layer, that is say B, and going to choose the color of this layer, that is yellow, and line type is continuous, line width say 0.5, and I am also going to change the transparency level, say 30%. Okay, so you can see the transparency level is also chosen. Again I am creating a next layer, that is layer C, and choosing the color of this layer, that is say green, the line type, that is continuous, width of the line going to choose the default, that is that is 0. Okay, transparency level say 50%. I am not going to add the description. Okay, so you can see 3 more layers has been added. Then just cross this window. Okay, so these options are also available. Just click on this drop down. You can see there are 3 layers named by A, B, C is created. Okay, let us choose the layer A. Okay, so whatever you are going to do, it will be drawn on layer A. Suppose I am going to make a circle, so it will make, and you can see I have chosen dotted line for the layer A, and the color is red. So in this way you can make object, any object in this layer. Okay, now I am going to change the layer, and I am choosing the layer B. Then I am going to make a rectangle in this way. Okay, and again I am going to choose the next layer, that is C, and making a line. So you can see 3 objects are made in 3 different layers. Here these are the 3 options are available for a particular layer. By clicking this lamp sign, you can see a small lamp sign are available here. just clicking on this lamp sign, you can turn on or turn off the layer, this particular layer. Say, suppose if you click on this lamp, pop-up will appear in front of you. They are asking to turn off the current layer. Yes, I want to turn off. So you can see the line is completely disappeared. If you want to turn on this layer, then just click on it, it will appear. You can see the layer will appear. Well, one more thing I want to tell you, that go to this status bar and there is an option that is line weight. Okay, if you turn on this option, then you can see the weight of this line will be visible. If you click on it, it will turn off, then it is not visible. Well, in the same way, you can also see the transparency level for different layers. If you turn on, it will show the transparency level. Otherwise, if you turn off this option, these three layer will show you the same transparency level. Okay, so in this way you can see the line weight and the transparency level. Here you are also able to turn on or turn off the layer. Okay, I have already told. The second option is freeze. Okay, so by clicking this option, you can freeze the layer. It is not going to happen because this is the current layer. If you just click on layer for B, then it will disappear. That means it will remain, but it will not be visible for you. Okay, just click on it. And the next option, that is lock, just click on this layer, will be locked. Okay, so you are not able to edit anything in this layer B. Okay, if you make it unlocked, again you are able to make or edit. So in this way you are able to turn on or turn off this layer, freeze the layer and lock the layer. Some of the options are also available here. So first one is for turning off a particular layer. Okay, if you want to turn off this layer C, that is green, so just click on it and press enter. So you can see it will turn off. It is not going to happen because this is the current layer. So just type Y, enter, and it will turn off. In the same way, you are also turn on this layer. Okay, just click on it, then all layers will be turned off. Okay, let us see the next option, that is isolate. If you want to isolate a particular layer, then this option is going to be used. Okay, suppose I just want to work on layer A. Okay, so just click on it and click on layer A and press enter. So you can see automatically layer A will be activated, and whatever you are going to make, it will be on layer A. So in this way you can able to isolate a particular layer. Next option is for freeze for a particular layer. Suppose make all the layers visible, so turn on all the layers. And the last option, which is very important, that is make current. Suppose you want to make the layer B for current layer, so just click on this make current and click on this B. So you can see it is changed and the current layer is B. Okay, the next option is match layer. So what is match layer? Suppose you want to shift some of the object from one layer to another layer, then this option is very useful, that is match layer. Suppose I want to change this rectangle for the layer A. What you have to do, just click on this option and select the rectangle, press enter, and then you can see on this command line that they are asking to select the destination layer. So just click on this destination layer for the A. So you can see this object is placed on layer A. So in this way you are also able to change the layer. Okay, let us talk about the properties of line. Okay, this panel is situated just after the panel block. In my next video I will discuss about the block, how to create block and groups. Now let us see what are the properties. There is an option for changing the color. Okay, suppose I have selected the layer B, and whatever you are going to draw in this particular layer, you can adjust by these properties. What type of line do you want, what type of color do you want. All of these can be adjusted by this property panel. Okay, so first option where you can adjust the color of the line. Okay, if you want more color, then just click on this more color option, then you can get more variations of color. So in this way you can adjust the color. Suppose I am going to change the color for layer B, that is blue, so just click on blue. Now if you draw any object on this layer B, then you can get this type of blue color line will appear. Okay, so here you can adjust the color of line. Second option is for the line weight. Okay, if you want to make a thicker line, then you can choose any of the options as required. More adjustment can be made by this line width setting. Okay, just click on it, then you can adjust line weight, units, millimeters or inches. You can adjust all these things from here. Okay, and the next option is bilayer in this property panel. Okay, from this bilayer you can choose different types of line like center line, dotted line, dashed line, etc. How can we choose that? Just go to this other option and you can see there is a bilayer, biblock, continuous. If you want more types of line, then just click on this load option, then you can get varieties type of line. Suppose you want to choose the center line, so just click on it, it will be selected, then press OK. Again you have to choose from here the center line, then press OK. So it is changed. So you can see a center line format has been made. It is not clearly visible because color is blue. I am going to change the color, then it will be prominently visible. Suppose I am going to select light yellow. Again I am making a center line. Now you can see the type of line has been changed. It is center line. Okay, so in this way, from this properties panel you are able to change the line color, type of line, line weight. Okay, one more tool is available in the left side of this property panel, that is match property. With the help of this tool you are able to change the object from one layer to another layer. Okay, for example, I want to change rectangle in the layer A. So what will you do? Click on this match property, select the source object where you are going to place your object. Okay, so just click on it and select the object. I am selecting this object, then press enter. So you can see this rectangle is placed in this layer of A. Okay, so in this way you are able to change the properties of line, okay, using this property panel. Well, let me show you how can we implement this layer option for practical drawing. You can see I have made a single phase wiring diagram for household wiring where components are placed in different layer. I have made another layer for the phase line and for the neutral line and the name of the components. So let me show you. First, click on this layer properties. You can see 5 more layers has been created. One layer is for component, another one for earthing, and name of the components. This sign indicates that currently this layer is activated. Okay, and another layer is for neutral wire and phase wire. Okay, I have used different color for the different layers. For phase I have used red, for neutral I have used black, name of the component I have used magenta, and earthing for green. Okay, so in this way I have created 5 more layers to show you how can we connect the wire in different layers. Okay, so just close it. First of all, let me clear how these instruments are placed. So first there is a phase wire and neutral wire is coming from the main power supply and it is directly fed to the energy meter. Okay, and the output of the energy meter is fed to the main switch. Okay, where you can see there are 2 fuses connected in series with the phase and neutral, and there is a changeover switch. Next, the output of main switch fed to the MCB box where the rating of the MCB is depends upon the total load of the house. After the MCB box, the phase wire and neutral wire is directly fed to the switch box, where I have used another MCB in series with the phase. There are 4 more switches, one regulator and one is indicator for the power, and there is a 5-pin socket also. So you can see from the right side, this switch is used for the socket, and second one is used for lamp 2, third is for lamp 1, and first one from the left side is used for the fan. Okay, and here the regulator is used to control the speed of this fan. Let me show you how can we turn off different layers. Okay, if we don't want to see the name of the component, then just click on this lamp sign and you can see all the name of the component is disappeared. Okay, so in this way, if you don't want to see the neutral wire, then just click on this lamp sign beside the neutral, then all the neutral wire has been disappeared. If you want to appear again, then click on it, it will appear. And last one is for the phase. If you don't want to see the phase line, then just click on this lamp sign and it will be disappeared. Okay, so in this way you can place the different wire in different layer. Okay, you can see when it is needed. Okay, to avoid the complexity of this drawing. So this layer option is not only used in case of electrical drawing, it is also useful for civil and architectural drawing. Okay, and many more. So in this way, creating different layer, we can able to differentiate different wire like phase wire, neutral wire, earth wire and components. Okay, please like and subscribe my channel. For more updates, press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.